Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 6 Sedan, stock reference number 4650. This shape runs from the second month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and we also have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. We have the right hand, left hand headrests, all rear headrests, console lid only, black leather, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.